me show you something here. All right, see right here? That says the John Springs Shelter. That's actually on Google Maps. Isn't that kind of neat? That's the name of this shelter. All right, that's pretty cool. And you can shrink it, and you can see where the parking lot was, and you can see where McAfee's Knob is. You can do all that stuff. Y'all are all familiar with that, right? Yeah. Guess what? Out of the two choices, this is the worst. Why is that?
Your
Why
phone
is
can
this the
die.
worst?
Because it can malfunction.
Your phone can die, the phone can malfunction, your battery goes dead. These are great tools, but they're not the end all be all. And the most important thing is, if you can read a map, you've always got the map, okay? So this is a map of the area we're in. This compass, unless I get it too near my watch, I don't know if y'all saw what happened, you can't get a compass near a watch as a battery in it. The quartz system can throw it off. But you can always find where you are with this and this. Does this have batteries?
No.
Can it malfunction?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I get it in the watch or I break it. But is it likely to malfunction like this is?
No.
No. So, let's figure out where we're going today. Now, this map is on a pretty small scale, so we're going to look at it here in a minute. But I also have this map of where we are. And this one. So if you see these maps here, this is where we came in yesterday and where we hike up to the knob. And that's the fire road we're taking back out tomorrow. And you'll see right here is where it crosses. We're somewhere right around in here. But that's where we'll cross the fire road and go on up. Here's another representation of the map. Okay, so here's where we parked. This is about where we are right now. We'll pass this shelter and then we'll go up to the knob around lunch.
All uphill from there.
It's all uphill. Once you cross this fire road right here, it's all uphill. Now, so I've got multiple maps. I've even got this. This comes out of the Appalachian Thru Hiker's Guide.
right, we're hiking on the AT with Troop 230. We got Mother Steel.
Is that exciting enough for you?
That's gonna be hard to watch. I just clipped a tree with it. That was an iPhone 6 dropped on the trail. Here's what it looks like from the trail view. And then we can pop up the periscope.
Walking through something in Lord of the Rings. I gotta get a picture of that.
Send me a copy.
Smile, Sean.
How's that working out for you?
I can't get to it.
See, I can go from chest to here, and then now, hey, wait a minute. I thought that was the side of the camera. Now I'm selfie sticking it. Teaching the kids some new tricks.
You know, this is kind of like a counterweight because it's so heavy on the ground.
Yeah?
So when I walk, it's so much smoother.
A couple of geeks go into the woods. That is cool. We ought to go up in there and check that out.
That was an interesting spot.
Hey, where'd everybody go?
They need to stop. Can you yell at them?
Yeah. Hold!